family brand for me for about 40 years, so I've known Pizza Factory since I was born. My mom was a franchisee and she had about 5 or 6 stores.
One of the biggest things for this brand was looking at a comprehensive program that we could tie in multiple areas.
We're really looking for user interface like ease, and we decided to try Zoho. Great thing for me was just to be able to give a franchisee a tangible tool that says, hey, look, I know you've never done this before, you're opening your first restaurant, we've got a plan.
In 2012, when we took over and became the franchisor, looking at how technology was changing and what we felt the stores needed to have to improve their unit economics, to make sure the customer experience was good. I think that was probably the biggest one, is bringing in online ordering and all the technology that's coming out.
First thing that I identified was we have a lot of great programs and a lot of great technology, but they're all living on different planets. And it's all such important information that we're acquiring, but we're having to go to all of these different places to get it.
This brand was looking at a comprehensive program that we could tie in multiple areas so that we weren't like one project out here, one project out there. Everything's all in one place.
When I came on board, we're using a product called Naranja for project management. And it was kind of clunky and it was hard to use. We're really looking for user interface like ease, right? We didn't want it to be hard, didn't want it to be clunky, and didn't want to spend a lot of time on training. We have a lot of new users. It's not just the same people using it over and over on various projects. There's always a new user on every project, basically. And we decided to try Zoho. So in my first year here, we as a team adopted Zoho Projects for our CRM and for project management. Great thing for me was just to be able to give a franchisee a tangible tool that says, hey, look, I know you've never done this before, you're opening your first restaurant, we've got a plan.
You don't need 20 programs to achieve things anymore. You can have one program, you can send emails, you can organize your information, you can keep track of projects internally and with the store level. And being able to do so much in one place is really important to me, and that's what I love about Zoho. And
I think that whenever you start out with something, in Zoho in particular, you want to know that there's constant change and constant additions to what that program is, because every year there's something different that you're going to want to roll out into your program, and you need someone that's able to adapt with you and able to grow with you, and quite honestly show you things that you don't even know that you can do.
It's not like Google, where if Google updates with something on the drive, you have to completely redo everything that you've been working on. It's when Zoho updates, I don't feel that it updates so severely that you have to relearn with every update. And I trust that even when it changes, it's still going to be the same enough to know that I'm going to get what I need from it, and that my team's going to get what they need from it, and that our franchisees are going to get what they need from it.
I think the biggest thing that a CRM really does for us is just to make sure that we haven't forgot something really important. Anything that you do in the business is basically a project. Some of them just repeat over and over. It's like Groundhog Day, right? But the ones that are not so frequent, you need a checklist, because if something gets out of place or missed, it can hold up the rest of the deal, and that costs people money. So that's probably the biggest thing that, it's better than the old notepads.
The CRM has worked wonderfully for us on onboarding new franchisees, and then taking them right into projects and taking them through their first year and so on has been a very smooth and seamless transition for us, and it's just really kept us on track.
Yeah, I'd say the last 25 stores that we've opened from scratch, we've used Zoho projects, and all of them have gone very well, in my opinion. I think that one of the other advantages is when you do a transfer, transfers are always kind of handled differently because it's not a new store, right? But for that owner, it is a new business, and all those same things have to apply. And we've probably done at least another 25 of those over this time. And so we're talking 50 projects in about 4 years. And I have a complete record of every one. I have all the documentation in one spot.
My favorite thing about Zoho is anything that I've brought to the table and said, hey, this is something we're really interested in doing, or hey, this is something we're doing, but we'd like to streamline it. You guys have always had an answer and always had a solution. It's just, it makes me even more excited to keep diving into it because it feels like the possibilities are endless.
Zoho has been an affordable product. The support is always great. You're always available. We didn't even realize some of the areas that we weren't utilizing inside of projects. So now we're looking at, okay, now we've got an even better project base for us to work off of, but what else can we use at Zoho? And that's where we're excited.
It adds accountability without causing friction, right? Like everyone can see the accountability. It's not one person has the ability to say, this is late, this is not on time, let's get this fixed. Everyone can see it. So they log in, they know where they're at with the project, they can update at any time, you can work independently. If you want to work at 11 o'clock on Sunday night, fine. As long as you know when your deadlines are and you're taking care of business, I think that that's really good.
I'm really excited to see how far we can take things with Zoho, to see how many of our programs and our processes and just the way that we function as an internal team, how much we can change through the automation and through the convenience of Zoho. So to the Zoho aspect, I would say that's definitely what the most exciting piece is. And just for Pizza Factory as a brand, I mean, we've been around for 40 years. I think when MJ took over the company in 2012, she brought us into a new era of technology. I think Zoho is a product of that. I know that Zoho is a product of that. And I want to see with how important technology is to us, I want to see how we can take Pizza Factory to the next level and continue to grow. And in another 40 years when I'm, 45, see where the brand is, see how far technology can take things. And that's infinitely exciting to me.